Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the unboxing of the Google Pixel 4 XL. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, let's see what I have purchased. Yes, I have actually purchased the Google Pixel 4 XL. This is an upgrade to my contract, and I decided to go for the XL one just because of battery concerns, and orange because, well, it's orange. And obviously I have a pay monthly SIM to pop into the device as part of the setup. The packaging is similar to last year. There's an orange Pixel XL on the front. You see the side of the device and the Google logo on the other side. And on the back there's a very sort of lifestyle picture, and they're keeping the hashtag Team Pixel. This is now the third year running, so the Pixel 2, Pixel 3 and now Pixel 4 are using hashtag Team Pixel. So, just as the last year, there's very simply accessible strips at the sides that you pull up to unseal the box. There's none at the top or the bottom. And you slide the top box off, and what are you faced with? The Google Pixel 4 XL, and this is Oh So Orange. That is the actual colour name, Oh So Orange. Right, let's look at what else is in the box. There is a booklet with instructions, a quick guide to inserting your SIM card, and an actual pin for doing so. So I'll keep that handy. And a quick user guide and limited warranty card. I'll put that away because I have no plan of reading that. What else is in the box? There is a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. There is, this is not going to come off easily. There is a USB Type-C to Type-A adapter, so that's if you want to plug in your cable for easily transferring apps and services over, say from an iPhone or from any other device, with a standard USB cable. And then the power brick, and just as last year, this is a travel unit, which means that in the UK it clips up and down to widen the head. Type-C output, and in terms of power output, this is a 5 volt 3 amp or 9 volt 2 amp. So 15 watt or 18. So it's an 18 watt charger, depending on the conditions. So that's it. There's no headphones, there's no additional cables or cases. Let's move on to the device itself. I'm going to take the plastic off, and sadly no pre-applied screen protector unless you cut along the edge here. This all comes off. That's sad. And as you can see, nice. It's difficult to describe. It's a matte finish. I know it's glass, but my mind is telling me it's not. It's some other funky ceramic material. And the matte black finish side to the device is very soft, as in it's nice, soft material. The power button is not the same orange as the back. It's a lighter colour. Some say it's closer to the pink, but different colour makes for a bit of contrast. And the front of the device, you can see it's all screen apart from the forehead. What I'm going to do is switch the device on. Let's move the box out of the way. There we go. And I'm going to set this up, put my SIM card in, and then give you some first impressions on what the setup is like. So bear with me, it'll be straight back. Okay then, and I have finished the setup. It was surprisingly quick, and the face unlock or face recognition feature was quite painless and quite pleasant to go through with. But anyway, here we are. So what makes the Pixel 4 XL special? Well, apart from being orange. So there are a few things. This is the first Pixel with 2 cameras. One is the standard Pixel-like camera, the other is a Telephoto, 2x Telephoto camera. So not only does it give you some actual optical zoom, it allows, with Google's Magic software, you to do some up to 8 to 10 times zoom, which is close to lossless. I will be comparing this to the Huawei P30 Pro and seeing how that compares. That has an actual 5 times zoom lens, and as you probably know, I love the Huawei P30 Pro's camera setup. The user interface is very interesting, and out of the box there's no buttons at the bottom. You can't enable them, they're not there. You have the basic Google launcher. As you can see, there aren't that many apps there. Apart from the 3 app, no Google Play Music, YouTube Music is there, which is interesting. Obviously this device is setting up for the first time and updating, saying that there's 40 updates available, so I'd better let it get on with this. But first impressions are that it is very smooth, very fast. The haptic feedback is probably the best haptic feedback in a device I've ever used. I usually turn that off because I'm not too happy with it. I'll see how I get on here. It may also be a way of getting slightly better battery life, is not having haptic feedback on. Another feature that this device has is a Soli radar. So this allows you to apparently control music that you go with. So let's sign in with my personal account where I have access to music. I will allow access to my location all the time in the hope that it gives me relevant music. Oh, here we go. Plenty of good music, but what I'm going to look for is in the hope that I will not have this video taken. Oops, there we go. YouTube video is updating. So YouTube music is updating. I want to demonstrate the Soli functionality for skipping tracks. And the best way to do that is with some classical music that isn't copyrighted. That's video, I just want... So you can see the music is playing. I'm going to turn the volume down. And what this allows you to do, it should do... Nope. Okay, it's not working for me. I'll need to try this out. That's interesting. So it should have some controls for being able to skip tracks, control your music with that. And there are some other features such as a very cute Pokemon wallpaper, which allows you to interact with a Pokemon coming alive. No, it's not there. I will do a full coverage of this in the review, or maybe a separate video if you're interested. But so far, first impressions of the Pixel 4 XL is that it is lightning fast. The haptic feedback is excellent. The camera we haven't tested yet, I've just taken it out of the box. It feels really nice to hold, it feels like a solid, well-built device. And this matte back is not making me think it's made of glass, though it is. It feels like ceramic, and the same with the matte black sides. I will be ordering plenty of Mocadile to cover the device, but in the meantime, it looks lovely in orange. So that's the unboxing of the Google Pixel 4 XL. Thank you for watching this unboxing on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Give us a like or leave us a comment if you have any questions, or if you just like to let us know what you think of this video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Goodbye.